So here is my Kobalt 80 volt max electric push lawnmower. This is not the rear wheel drive one. They didn't have the rear wheel drive one available, and I didn't feel like ordering it. And I just thought it was cheap. This one's cheaper. This one's $100 cheaper, and has 2 batteries. So I guess that would give me an hour of that. I keep wanting to say vacuum, lawn mowing. I was gonna wait and just order the rear wheel, but this one is, I figured I'd just get exercise. I'll just take the exercise. I don't have any hills in my yard, so I'm gonna put it together and take it on a test run. So the assembly was very easy. All you had to do after just take out the box was snap this on and screw these. Now the hardest part was finding these bolts right here, and they were inside of here. So when you get yours, look inside of there for these knobs. It's way easier than that side. What? This side, look, it goes like this. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you never would have thought. This is easy though, this way.
What about that?
I did this side first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Front? You did the front?
I got my heart from my granddad. I just felt a burning. Alright, now I'm going to take the grass out and wash it. That's easy. Take the battery out. So you hear the battery over there charging. I was able to mow the entire yard. What I recommend, this isn't the rear wheel drive one. This is the rear wheel drive one is extra $100. They didn't have it available, so I didn't get it. And this is very, I mean, it's 80, the box says 80 pounds on it. It doesn't feel like 80 pounds when you're pushing it. I would recommend this for anyone trying to, it's a very great workout. It's not heavy, but it's a great workout. If you're trying to stay in shape, it's a good one. If you want it to pull itself, I don't think it would be that much of a difference. Maybe it would be, but it's not hard to push unless you're on a hill. I wasn't on a hill or anything. So I would definitely recommend this. Battery lasts a lot longer than I thought it would. Didn't even have to go to the second battery.